Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Noise has launched one more budget true wireless earbuds and they are the Buds VS103. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you how the performance is. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the Noise branding along with the picture of the earbuds. And here we have the model name Buds VS103 and they are the truly wireless earphones. At this side we can see they are designed in India. At the back we have some key features and these earphones are available in two colors, white and black, and the one we have here is the black variant. About the features, we get the full touch control, they support HyperSync, 18 hours of playback time, and they are also IPX5 waterproof. The MRP of these earphones is Rs 2,999, however, the launch price is just Rs 1,499. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get the welcome card and here we have the warranty information. And then we get the quick start guide which has the info on how to pair and reset these earbuds. And then we get the user guide of these earphones and it has detailed info about the features and touch controls. And after that we have the noise stickers. And then below it we have the charging case. The charging case has the earbuds inside. We will look at the case and the earbuds in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the Type-C charging cable and here we have two pairs of extra ear tips of large and small size. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Noise Buds VS103 are the budget true wireless earphones. It's the third product in the VS series which Noise has launched recently. Now looking at the charging case first, we have the matte finish on the case and the build quality of this case is very good. I really like the design and we have this glossy line all around the case. And guys, you can easily open the case with one hand and I find the hinge quality pretty decent. In terms of the overview, we have the Noise logo in the front along with the charging indicator. And here at the back we have the Noise branding and at the bottom we have the Type-C charging port. The battery capacity of this case is 380 mAh and with this you can get total battery backup of up to 18 hours. And also guys, I find the case lightweight and it's also compact which will make it easy to carry in your pocket. Now looking at the earbuds, we have the in-ear style earbuds and for the first time, you need to remove these protective film from both the earbuds. And again guys, the quality of this product is very good, keeping in mind that they are priced at Rs 1,500. Now in terms of the technical specification, we get the 10mm driver in these earbuds and they are IPX5 water and sweat proof. These earphones also support HyperSync, which means they will auto pair to the last connected device when you open the door of the case. Both the earbuds comes with a touch sensitive panel which has a Noise logo and you get the mic for calling. So overall in terms of the design and build quality, I find the Buds VS103 very good for its price. Now let's pair them with our phone and we will see how they perform. So for pairing, as I said earlier, you just need to open the door of the case and they are ready to pair. And here we have the earphones paired with our phone. Now let me quickly show you first the touch controls. So a single tap on the right earbud increases the volume and a single tap on the left earbud decreases the volume. Double tap on either of the earbuds allows you to pause and play music. Long press on the right earbud takes you to the next song and long press on the left earbud takes you back to the previous song. You can call Google Assistant or Siri by triple tapping on any of the earbuds. Now let's talk about the sound quality. So first of all guys, I find these earbuds really comfortable due to the in-ear design. I have changed the ear tip to the large size and with that I was able to get snug fit and I find the passive noise cancellation in these earphones very good. Now in terms of the sound quality, I find the clarity on these earbuds very good. They are loud and the instrument separation is also very good. You get punchy bass but they are not that bass heavy. And guys, one more thing which I like in these earphones, that the bass is not software enhanced which we have seen in some other earphones in this segment. But overall, the sound output from these earphones is very good and I find the mids and highs good with some decent lows in these earbuds. Talking about the performance more, I have used them for movies and again, the voice clarity is very good and you get no sound lag while watching videos on YouTube and other streaming platforms. However, there is a significant lag if you use them for gaming and the lag is somewhere around 400 to 450 milliseconds. Now about the mic clarity, I have used them for voice and video calls and the performance is average, which is like any other true wireless earphones in this price category. And lastly about the battery, you get approximately 4 hours of playback time with these earphones. And with the charging case, you can charge them 3 to 4 times more, giving you total battery backup of up to 18 hours, which is pretty decent. So overall, the Noise Buds VS103 are the budget true wireless earphones. I find the design and the build quality very good, and they are lightweight, and the in-ear design is really comfortable. The touch response is good, and the 10mm driver in these earphones offers good sound quality. So you can use these earphones to listen to music or watch movies, but for gaming, we don't recommend them. Nonetheless, I find the Buds VS103 a very good option under Rs 1500. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Buds VS103 earphones. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of these earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.